All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Today was a really nice trading day. It's one of those trading days that I actually really like. You find one stock in play and you trading it very nicely with a couple of really nice ads. So let me go you through the trades that I did. I unfortunately came and started my trading day a little bit late, and unfortunately I missed really good entry on Tesla. So by the time that I came behind my station, it was around 9:35. What I saw was that Tesla sold off. It was gapping down around 3-4%, sold off, and then suddenly squeezed back up for a 1 minute opening range breakup. That was a very nice 1 minute opening range breakup because it did sold off, closed as a doji. This is a kind of a bullish pattern, really huge squeeze up and came above the VWAP. It came above the VWAP, did a really nice consolidation. This is an ABCD pattern that we teach in our community. I think it's a very powerful pattern, especially if it's above the VWAP. And I started taking a position at 253 by seeing some really nice ask. Even though I personally didn't take that trade, but Paris, he actually took that trade, just exactly the entry that I was hoping to get. Let me actually show you his trade. So this is the trade that Paris actually shared. So very amazing trade. So let's see exactly, it sold off, it came back up. His entry is exactly, if I was trading, I would have taken that entry. So 1 minute opening range break up, and then it squeezed at the high of pre-market level that you had at 252, scaling out, and the pullback. Look at the Paris added at the 253. That's exactly the entry that I was hoping to get at, that actually I got, and then continued scaling out all the way up to 257. He added on the pullbacks like exactly I did as well. So every pullback he was adding and essentially continuing getting really this big move up as well. So that's exactly the trade that I did. So I went at 253, and then for the break off again, for the break off high of the day at 254 I added. We also had really amazing level 2 signals. So this is the video, this is the screenshot that one of our traders did. So at 255, look at that, 9:33. That's exact. The time is very important, guys. Look at the time, 9:33. You see a huge ask on Nasdaq at 800 lot. That's 80,000 shares. So that's a very bullish signal. I also saw that in my level 2. One of our traders shared that 953. See, we're talking about here at 953. I wasn't even entering that at 256. So you have this already signal at 256 up here that's waiting for you, and say the bullish is already sitting here available, and the level is at 256. So I saw that as well. That's why I added more. The asks were getting bigger and bigger. That's a very bullish sign, and obviously this is the time that you can actually go aggressive to get such a huge profit of that, $16,000 profit, $15,000 profit when you see such a clear signal. Very nice price action. So that's what happened. Came up after really big consolidation about 10 o'clock, at 257 for the break of 258. Again, we saw huge ask. I posted that on my Twitter as well. So that's another one that I want to actually show you as well. Added more, huge rip toward 260 and all the way up to 261, which was the last exit that I had. So as you see, huge, beautiful, nice off. Did it do a 920? Actually, it did exactly a 920 as well. For those of you who don't know what 920 is, and strongest stock bounces back from 20 moving average and rips higher. So there is a couple of a strategy in one move. You have the 1 minute opening range breakup, you have the 5 minute opening range breakup, you have 920, you have ABCD pattern, and you have a red to green move. So essentially 4 or 5 different strategy can be applied if the stock is really active. So this is what exactly we're having. It's 1 minute opening range breakup, and then you have the 5 minute opening range breakup, you have the ABCD pattern, you have the 920, and red to green move. So it's a stock that is very trendy, and liquidity and everything is amazing on that. So overall, Tesla was an amazing trade. We did trade it very perfectly. Follow me on Twitter, guys, because I post a lot of things on Twitter before or exactly the moment that I'm entering the trade. So these are the things that exactly the moment that I took that screenshot and I went to the trade. I actually posted on Twitter. So for those of you who are not a member, and if you do like our content and if you're really enjoying it, we appreciate the like or subscribe to our channel, guys, so you can get notified. I'm really hopeful that by the end of this year we can get to 100,000 subscriber by your help and support, guys. That's it for me trading. Brian, how was your trading? I know you killed it on Amazon. Really, really nice.
Yeah.
Oh man, Amazon, look at that. I also posted something on
Yeah, it's
Amazon about Big Ass.
still going crazy. Yeah. It, yeah, I just noticed it was starting to break out on a 5 minute. I just took it long and just sold, kept selling it through whole numbers. And it's just been on a tear all day.
Yeah, so Amazon,
So
actually, I have the screenshot when you called it for 128. There's a huge ask on Amazon. Again, trading based on level 2 is really, really, really amazing. So again, see, that's just
yeah.
a big, huge ask at 128, and we saw the break of 128 and 129 after that very easily.
Yeah, so it's been really breaking out here today. Sort of been consolidating, and I noticed it in the before the market open. It was one of the few stocks that were actually green that I've been watching. So just sort of keeping an eye on it, and it really took off right from the open.
Yeah, amazing. So very, very nice trading day.
Yeah.
Market has been amazing. So I still have 200 shares of Tesla left in my position, and unfortunately I'm missing the bull market on JP right now. I'll see how it goes. So JP doesn't move much, but it gives you the monthly dividend income. Last month, I think in June, for May, in June 5th, they paid about 40 cents per share. So 50 cents per share, something around that. So it doesn't move much. It's really good for bear market, but in bull market, it underperforms. And unfortunately, I'm missing the whole bull market on that. But day trading wise has been very, very good so far. And hopefully the market stays this volatile, and it's just amazing. You can trade that as much as possible. Have a great day, guys. So New York City, guys, again, a lot of this strategy, a lot of these contents are going to be reviewed in 2 days in New York City. We're going to have the small group mentorships depending on which trading style you like. So that's something that I highly recommend you guys come. And we have the NYSE tour, plus we have a free drink, social in the evening of the first day. Obviously, we get to know each other, drinks included, thanks to our sponsors. And we're also providing the breakfast and food next day as well. So I hope that everybody, join us, and we're going to have one of the best events that we have. Obviously, we're staying in a discounted hotel room in Westin in Times Square, just next to NASDAQ. And it's fun. If you haven't been to New York City, make it a trip with family, brings family and friends, and it's going to be amazing. And hopefully, I'll see as many of you guys. Ciao.